Good day, guys. Welcome to Trendingwood channel. So, if you're new to Trendingwood channel is a channel that talks about how to create your flyer designs, mostly with PixelLab, different kind of flyer design, church flyer, party, birthday, with PixelLab using just your smartphone. So, without wasting much of our time, let's just dive into the video for today. So today we'll be working on how to select size for your flyer and also for your job, because I recently discovered that most of our difficulties in terms of designing is actually choosing a size for our flyer, mostly for flyers and mostly in terms of printing. For those of us that have job that we needed to print, most times we find it difficult to print. They're not just for printing, mostly for social media flyer like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and the rest. How to design the flyer that will actually fit the canvas or the space that they will provide for you when you want to post them. So let's start with first flyer. From flyer we'll go to social media, then from social media we'll enter another aspect, but let me just drop it on toad till then. So now let me delete this is the first layer you see. That's the surface you see when you open your PixelLab. This thing is a square. All the sizes are equal. That's a square bar. So if you want to choose your flyer outside the square, now let me show you the job I did, which I will be making video on it. This job I did, now you see that this job now is not a square. This job is not a square, but I'll also make video on this job, so you better stick to this video. And if you want me to make video on this particular job that I just did, please kindly comment it in the comment section. At least like 100 comments. 100 comments will motivate me more to make video on this thing, because I will know that okay, people are really interested to watch. So like 100 comments, or 100 comments is okay, or 100 or 50 comments, then I'll make video on this particular flyer. So let's just go back to our main this thing. So this is the square this thing. So what you do now is you come to this place. You come to this place. You come to this place that are you see my cursor where I am tapping this place. Then you see image size. You tap on your image size. Now you see your ratio. Pay attention, this is your ratio. Your ratio now is 1:1. That means the all sides are equal. Here is your width, here is your height. All you need to do now, this now is a preset. Tap on this 4 icon you're seeing here. Tap on it. You see custom, you see square, you see profile picture, you see YouTube channel banner, you see YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art, YouTube plus cover, Twitter header size. Now your square now is this one you're seeing. Your YouTube banner, your YouTube channel banner, that is the size of your thumbnail, and this is the size. The width is 2560 by 440. That's the size of your thumbnail. Now this one is mostly for YouTubers. Those that are YouTubers, you want to create thumbnail for your channel and the rest, you use this size. Then your YouTube thumbnail is also the same thing. Are you getting me? Then your Facebook cover art. Now for those of us now that normally upload our cover photo on Facebook, this is the size, and the number is, the width is A981, the height is 363. Are you getting me? That's for a Facebook cover photo. Google plus cover photo. This is for Google cover photo. Twitter header size. This is for Twitter, but this one now they are more easy because you can actually find them on the app. Now let's dive into the Odogu part. That's part that will stress you mostly on flyer. Now in flyer we have what we call the A5, we have the A6, we have the A1, we have the A2, A4, just like that. I think the highest we have is A6, something like that. Sorry, is it A6? I think the highest is A1. That's the full scarf paper size. So now when you want to design flyer, first you don't know what you can use chat gpt for this, you can use your Chrome for this, but let me just use chat gpt for easy access. Your Chrome will use chat gpt, we also use our Chrome. So now let's say we want to design a flyer on A5. Let's want to design A5 flyer. What is happening now? Okay guys, please just hold on, my phone is hanging. Maybe okay, here we are. So sorry for the event there. So let's just hold on, let this thing load. I believe other stuff in my phone are loading, that's why it's giving off stuff time. So now you just test chat gpt. I want to what design. Now this is your prompt. I want to design A5 flyer size on PixelLab. Give me the pixel size. Give me the pixel size. You send it to him. I want to design A5 flyer size on PixelLab. Give me the pixel size. ChatGPT and BB grammar. Okay, now they've given us the grammar. They're giving us the width and the height. Now the width is 748. The height is 4. The height is 280. So let's try it, because now it's practical aspects. So the width is 748. That's A5 flyer 748. Let me check if it's 7 or 17. Okay, 17. Then the width is 1748. Then the height is 2480. 2480. You see that we've gotten the size of our flyer for A5. Then suppose you want to do A6, you also go to your chat GPT and tell him, you tell the app, give me that of A6, flyer size. Give me that of A6 flyer size. Now chat GPT will give you A6 also. The width now is 1240, the height is 748. Now after this we'll check another thing. So 1240, then the this thing is what? 1748. That's the height. 1748. You see, now it looks a little bit similar, but it's not similar. There's a difference. But when you send it to your printer, that's when the printer will size it. The printer will size it, and you see the difference between that of A5 and A4. Now let's say for instance, now you've not done a job. For instance, you've not done a job that you've not printed before, and that's your first time of printing, and a client asks you to send him or her sizes of flyer. Let me say this. Okay, there are some clients that will come to you and say, I don't know the A5 you're talking about, I don't know the A6 you're talking about, but can I just see sample how it looks like? And at that moment you cannot lay your hand on anything tangible. All you need to do, don't panic, come to your Google, you just type A5 flyer size. But that's all you do. Then go to your image. That's the A5. Just go to your image. Then tap here. The one that will be more presentable, that's the one you will download. What is happening now? Okay. So please guys, like I told you before, that I won't hide anything from you guys. All the tips I'm using is what I will give you guys. You guys should also appreciate me by subscribing, share my video, and also comment. So this is the A5 size. Now all you need to do is to download it as an image. I think this one is self-explanatory. Then go to your gallery and I'll explain from gallery. So this is the size. So you just send it to the client and say, man, after printing, this is what you will get, and after printing, this is exactly what you will get. Are you getting me? This is exactly what you get. So guys, you can also do this method, is also applicable to all the sizes of flyer that you want to work on. Just know the size and just put the size in your pixel, and it will give you exactly what you want. So please guys, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.